Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to place for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Hamilton Beach 800-watt power blender, designed for those who need a compact, efficient blender for their daily smoothies and shakes. If you've been on the hunt for a blender that combines power with portability, you might want to stick around. Let's see if this one can live up to the expectations. The Hamilton Beach 800-watt power blender promises big performance in a small package. With a powerful 800 watts of blending power, it claims to offer the same results as full-size blenders, but without taking up a lot of countertop space. The blender features Hamilton Beach's Sure Blend technology, which continuously pulls ingredients down into the stainless steel blades, ensuring smooth blends, whether you're working with fruits, veggies, or ice. This blender also comes with a 20-ounce travel cup and a leak-proof flip-top lid, making it easy to blend your ingredients, take them on the go, and skip the cleanup. The small size of this blender is appealing, especially if you don't have the kitchen space for a larger machine, but let's find out if it actually delivers. Setting up and using this blender was straightforward. The compact design means it won't take up too much space on your kitchen counter, which is perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone who values a neat, tidy space. To use, you simply load up the 20-ounce jar with your ingredients, screw it onto the base, and choose between the regular blend and pulse settings. The blending action is fast, and the 800-watt motor kicks in quickly, making light work of frozen fruit, leafy greens, and even tougher ingredients like ice cubes. The Sure Blend technology is designed to keep everything moving down towards the blades, so there's no need to stop and shake or stir halfway through the blending process. In terms of performance, the Hamilton Beach 800-watt power blender gets the job done. It can create smooth fruit smoothies with ease, and the stainless steel blades crush ice effectively, even for frozen cocktails or protein shakes. The pulse function is a nice touch for anyone looking to add a little texture to their blends or to tackle thicker ingredients. However, there's a slight trade-off with its size. While it's great for personal-sized portions, don't expect to whip up large batches of smoothies. The 20-ounce capacity is perfect for 1 or 2 servings, but can feel limiting if you're making drinks for multiple people. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this blender. On the plus side, the Hamilton Beach 800-watt power blender is super easy to use, and it delivers consistent results without the fuss. The powerful motor and durable stainless steel blades make short work of tough ingredients, and the included travel cup with a leak-proof lid means you can blend and go without worrying about spills. The compact design is a huge plus for those short on space, and the intuitive blend and pulse functions make it easy for anyone to use, regardless of experience. On the flip side, the 20-ounce cup might feel a little too small for anyone who wants to make larger portions. If you're someone who preps large batches of smoothies for the week or enjoys making family-sized servings, this could be a deal breaker. Also, while the blender does a solid job with most ingredients, very dense or fibrous items like some leafy greens or frozen fruits might require a little extra attention, especially if they're not cut into smaller pieces. This isn't a major issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you like to throw everything in at once. When it comes to value for money, the Hamilton Beach 800-watt power blender is pretty well priced, considering the performance and convenience it offers. At a budget-friendly price point, it's a great option for anyone looking for a personal blender that doesn't compromise on power. Competitors like the NutriBullet or Ninja NutriPro might offer similar features, but they can often come at a higher price point. If you're looking for a compact blender for personal use that doesn't break the bank, this Hamilton Beach model could be a solid choice. In terms of comparisons, there are a few similar options on the market. The NutriBullet Pro 900 watts, for example, is another personal blender with a comparable motor size and ease of use. However, it comes with a higher price tag. The Ninja Fit 16-ounce blender is also a competitor, and while it's slightly smaller in capacity, it's in a similar price range. What sets the Hamilton Beach apart is its combination of performance, compactness, and the leak-proof travel cup, which makes it incredibly convenient for those on the go. Build quality here is solid for the price. The blender feels sturdy and the materials used are durable. The 20-aughts travel cup is made of BPA-free plastic, which is lightweight and easy to carry, but still feels robust enough to handle daily use. The motor is powerful enough to handle typical smoothie ingredients though. As with all small personal blenders, it's not meant for heavy-duty tasks. Over time, you'll likely see minimal wear and tear on the parts, as long as you follow the care instructions and avoid overworking the motor. While I didn't need to contact customer support during my review process, Hamilton Beach has a strong reputation for providing good customer service. Their website is easy to navigate, and they have a solid FAQ section for troubleshooting any minor issues. Plus, their products are often covered by a warranty, which provides additional peace of mind if you run into any problems down the road. As for updates, since this is a simple, no-frills blender, firmware or software updates aren't a factor here. There's no app integration, and it doesn't connect to any smart home devices. It's a straightforward blender that does its job without any digital bells and whistles, which is exactly what some people want. To wrap it all up, the Hamilton Beach 800-watt power blender is a solid choice for anyone in need of a compact, reliable personal blender. It's powerful enough for everyday smoothies and shakes, and the added convenience of the 20-aughts travel cup with a leak-proof lid makes it great for those with busy lifestyles. While it may not be ideal for larger portions or tougher ingredients, it delivers consistent performance at a very reasonable price. If you're looking for a no-fuss blender that gets the job done without taking up much space, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've got any questions or if you've tried this blender yourself, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to get your hands on one, you can find the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, this has been Reviews Inside TV, blending the facts so you don't have to.